वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Our article is determination of lines satisfying given conditions. We have solved examples on this. There are different conditions given and we have find the equation of the line, such as the line which passes through a point and parallel to the given plane and intersecting to given lines at straight angles and right angles and so on. These are the conditions. We have solved some examples, one or two examples of it. Here, our example is find the equations of the line which intersects each of the two lines 2x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0 is equals to x minus 2y plus 3z and 3x minus y plus z plus 2 is equals to 0, which is equals to 4x plus 5y minus 2z minus 3 and is parallel to the line x by 1 is equals to y by 2 is equals to z by 3. We have find the equations of the line which intersect of these two lines. ये दोनों लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करती है ऐसी लाइन की इक्वेशन हमको मालूम करना है एंड विच लाइन विच इज पैरेलल टू दिस. ये टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन है. ये दो लाइंस हमको दिए हुए है. ये दोनों को इंटरसेक्ट करती हुई लाइन की इक्वेशन मालूम करना है और ये जो इक्वेशन ये लाइन की मालूम करना है ये लाइन पैरेलल है ये लाइन को. ये लाइन की इक्वेशन है ये. We have find the equation of this line. These two lines are given by this. The general equations of the line intersecting the two given lines are u1 plus lambda 1 u2. कल देखे हमने सिस्टम्स में. तो u1 मीन्स पहली लाइन का पहला एक्सप्रेशन ले लिए 2x plus y minus 1 plus lambda 1 into this x minus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0 and u2 plus lambda 2 v2 is equals to 0. So this is 3x minus y plus z plus 2 plus lambda 2 into 4x plus 5y minus 2z minus 3 is equals to 0. These 1 and 2 will be parallel to the given line if lambda 1 lambda 2 are so chosen that the two planes representing it are separately parallel to the given line. We have chosen lambda 1 lambda 2 such that these are separately parallel to the given line. So we have this is here coefficient of x. In this coefficient of x is equals to this is 2x plus lambda 1x. So if x is common then coefficient of x is 2 plus lambda 1. So this is 2 plus lambda 1. this is 1 into 2 plus lambda 1 plus this 2 into this y का coefficient y minus 2 lambda 1. This is y minus 2 lambda 1 y. So if y is common, we get 1 minus 2 lambda 1. 1 minus 2 lambda 1 plus 3 into this z का coefficient नहीं है यहाँ पे है सिर्फ, तो 3 lambda 1. Coefficient of z is 3 into this lambda 1, which is equals to 0. So this is 2 plus lambda 1 plus 2 minus 4 lambda 1 plus 9 lambda 1 is equals to 0. That is 6 lambda 1 plus 4 is equals to 0. 6 lambda 1 as it is, this 4 goes to right side, then we get this minus 4, and we have lambda 1 is equals to 4 by 6. Minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3. Similarly, it is parallel separately to this line. So we have 3 plus 4 lambda 2. This is 3x plus lambda 2 4x. If x is common, then we get 3 plus 4 lambda 2. So this is 1 into 3 plus 4 lambda 2 plus 2 into coefficient of y. So this is minus y plus 5 y lambda 2. So if y is common, then we get minus 1 plus 5 lambda 2 plus this 3 into coefficient of z in this equation. So 1 minus 2 lambda 2, which is the coefficient of z. So if we have solved this, we get lambda 2 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, if we have substitute values of lambda 1 in 1 and value of lambda 2 in 2, we get the equations. So therefore the required equations of the lines are 2x plus y minus 1 plus lambda 1 is equals to minus 2 by 3, x minus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0. So we have solved this and get 4x plus 7y minus 6z minus 3 is equals to 0. Next step is put the value of lambda 2 in equation number 2. So we get this as 2x minus 7y plus 4z plus 7 is equals to 0. So we get the equation of the line in unsymmetrical form. Next is find the equations of the perpendicular from 2, 4 minus 1 to x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 4 y plus 3 is equals to 1 upon minus 9 z minus 6. Obtain also the foot of the perpendicular. Here the line is given by x plus 5 is equals to y plus 3 by 4 is equals to z minus 6 by minus 9 is equals to r. So we get x plus 5 is equals to r. This implies that x is equals to r minus 5. Y plus 3 by 4 is equals to r. So y is equals to 4r minus 3. And z is equals to minus 9r plus 6. So any point on line 1 is given by p is equals to these values r minus 5, 4r minus 3 and minus r plus 6, which is the foot of the perpendicular. If q is equals to 2, 4 minus 1, the direction ratios of qp, q के कोऑर्डिनेट मालूम है आपको, p के कोऑर्डिनेट मालूम है, तो दोनों के आपको डिफरेंस अगर ले लिए हमने तो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ द सेगमेंट pq. So this is the difference r minus 5 minus 2, 4r minus 3 minus 4 and 9r plus 6 plus 1. That is r minus 7, 4r minus 7 and 9r plus 7. QP is perpendicular to line 1. So this is line 1. कि डायरेक्शन को रेशियोज क्या है 1, सो 1 इंटू आर माइनस 7 प्लस 4 इंटू 4r minus 7 minus 9 into this minus 9r plus 7 is equals to 0. If we have calculate this, then we get r is equals to 1. Substitute this value of r in this. So r is equals to 1. So coordinate of point P is 1 minus 5, which is equals to minus 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. And minus 9 into 1 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 6 is equals to minus 3. And required equations of QP are given by x minus 2 by minus 6 is equals to y minus 4 by minus 3 and z plus 1 by 2. ये आपको कोऑर्डिनेट दिए हुए है एक पॉइंट के लाइन के ऊपर, आपने डायरेक्शन रेशियोज भी मालूम कर लिए, इसलिए लाइन की इक्वेशन ये कर लिए. वी हैव बाय यूजिंग द फर्स्ट आर्टिकल ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, इफ वी आर गिवन एनी वन पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन एंड डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस ऑफ द line. Direction ratios are this minus 6, minus 3 and minus 2. So this is x minus 2 by 6 is equals to y minus 4 by 3 is equals to z plus 1 by 2. माइनस साइन अगर कॉमन ले लिया हमने, सो पी क्यू, डिस्टेंस ऑफ पी क्यू इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4 माइनस 2. पी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मालूम है आपको, क्यू के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मालूम है, तो दोनों का यहाँ पे डिफरेंस लेना है. माइनस 4 माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 4 होल स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 3 प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. So therefore PQ is equals to square root of 36 plus 9 plus 4, which is equals to root 49, and square root of 49 is equals to 7. This next example is similar to the previous example. एक मिनट. Next example is find the lines drawn from the origin to intersect the lines. These two lines are given. 3x plus 2y plus 4z minus 5 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the one equation of the line. And second equation is 2x minus 4y plus z plus 6 is equals to 0 is equals to 3x minus 4y plus z minus 3. So here the equations of required lines are given by 3x plus 2y plus 4z minus 5 plus lambda 1 into 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 1 is equals to 0. And second expression is by using the second line. So 2x minus 4y plus z plus 6 plus lambda 2 into 3x minus 4y plus z minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equations 1 and 2. These equations written in the form of coefficient of x and y, x, y and z. So we have from this 3x plus lambda 1 2x. So x is common, so we get 3 plus 2 lambda 1. Similarly 2y minus 3y lambda 1. So 2 minus 3 lambda 1 into y. In the z, 4z plus 4 lambda 1 z. So 4 plus 4 lambda 1 into z plus minus 5 plus lambda 1 is equals to 0. Similarly, for second line, since these are denoted by 3 and 4. Since 3 and 4 passes through the origin, we have given that this passes through the origin. So, minus 5 plus lambda 1, this is equals to 0. That is lambda 1 is equals to 5. जब ये ओरिजिन से गुजर रहे तो प्लेन की इक्वेशन में वैल्यू ऑफ डी जो है वो 0 हो जाती. तो हियर वैल्यू ऑफ डी इज minus 5 plus lambda 1 is equals to 0. Then we get lambda 1 is equals to 5. In second equation, 6 minus 3 lambda 2 is equals to 0 this. So we get lambda 2 is equals to 2. Therefore, put the values of lambda 1 is equals to 5 and lambda 2 is equals to 2 in 1. Lambda 1, we have find the values of lambda 1 and lambda 2 and substitute this in equation number 1 and 2. So we get our result. So we have 3x plus 4 2y plus 4z minus 5 plus lambda 1 की वैल्यू आ गई 5. So 5 into 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 1 is equals to 0. Solving it, we obtain 3x minus 13, 13x minus 13y plus 24z is equals to 0. And similarly, if we put value of lambda 2 in equation second, we get the equation as 8x minus 12y plus 3z is equals to 0. तकरीबन एग्जाम्पल सेम है, थोड़ा सा किसी कदर डिफरेंस है उसमें. Understand this example? Next example is find the equations of the line parallel to x by 2 is equals to y by 3 is equals to z by 4 and intersecting the lines 9x plus y plus z plus 4 is equals to 0 is equals to 5x plus y plus 3z and x plus 2y minus 3z minus 3 is equals to 0 is equals to 2x minus 5y plus 3z plus 3. We have to find the equation of line parallel to this line and intersecting these lines. So, the equation, इससे पहले करे हमने example ऐसा. The equations of the lines intersecting given lines are given by this. ये पहला एक्सप्रेशन को लैम्बडा 1 के साथ कंबाइन कर लेंगे तो we get this 9 plus 5 lambda 1 x plus 1 plus lambda 1 y plus 1 plus 3 lambda 1 z plus 4 is equals to 0. And it is parallel to this line. So we have 2 into 9 plus 5 lambda 1 plus 3 into 1 plus lambda 1 is equal plus 4 into 1 plus 3 lambda 1 is equals to 0. Then we get lambda 1 is equals to minus 1. Similarly, this put the value of lambda 1 in 1. We get 4x minus 2z plus 4 is equals to 0. That is 2x plus 2 is equals to z and we get x plus 1 is equals to z by 2. Similarly, from this equation, if we have combined this with lambda 2, then we get this equation. And again, this is parallel to this line. So we have 2 into 1 plus lambda 1 plus 2 lambda 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 5 lambda 2 plus 4 into minus 3 plus 3 lambda 2 is equals to 0. We get here the value of lambda 2 and put the value of lambda 2 in equation number 2. We get our next equation. So this is x plus 2y minus 3z minus 3 plus 8x minus 2y plus 12z plus 12 is equals to 0. And this is same as similar as x minus 2y plus z plus 1 is equals to 0, and this is x plus 1 is equals to 2y minus z. So z by 2, if we have divided x plus 1, but x plus 1 is equals to z by 2. This is x plus 1 is equals to z by 2. So this is x plus 1 is equals to z by 2 is equals to 2y minus z. So z by 2 plus z is equals to 2y. So 3 by 2 z, z by 2 plus z means 3 by 2 z is equals to 2y. So we get z by 2 is equals to 2 by 3y. Then we have get x plus 1. This x plus 1 is equals to z by 2. And this z by 2 is same as 3 by 2 y. So this is x plus 1 is equals to 2 by 3y is equals to z by 2. Next example is, this is the similar example. Next example is, sorry. This is find the equations of the line which passes through the point minus 431 is parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus z is equals to 5 and intersects the line minus x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y minus 3 by 2 is equals to minus z minus 2. Sorry for disturbance. Here find the equation of the line which passes through the point minus 431 is parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus z is equals to 5 and intersects the line minus x plus 1 by 3 is equals to y minus 3 by 2 is equals to minus z minus 2. Find also the point of intersection. Here, let the line is given by this x plus 1 by minus 3 is equals to y minus 3 by 2 is equals to this z minus 2 by minus 1. And suppose this is equals to r, then we get the general point on the line, that is, if x plus 1 by minus 3 is equals to r, then x plus 1 is equals to minus 3r and x is equals to minus 3r minus 1. Y minus 3 by 2 is equals to r, then y is equals to 2r plus 3 and z similarly z is equals to minus r plus 2. Any point q on the line is given by, this is any point p on the given line is given by minus 3r minus 1, 2r plus 3 minus r plus 2. That is, and we have given another point on the line is minus 4, 3 and 1. एक मिनट, and this PQ is parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus z is equals to 5. Then we get 1 into minus 3r plus 3 plus 2 into 2r minus 1 into minus r plus 1. So we have get r is equals to minus 1. And the point of intersection Q is 2, 1, minus 3. If you have put the value of R in general point. And direction ratios of PQ are minus 6, minus 2, 2 or 3, minus 1, 1 because 2 is common to this. Equation of the required line is therefore x plus 4 by 3 is equals to y minus 3 by minus 1 is equals to z minus 3 by 4. This is same examples. Here, next example is find the equation of the perpendicular from. Wait a minute, this is not. Find the equation of the perpendicular from 0, 0, 0 to x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4 is equals to 0, which is equals to 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5. Let L, M, N be the direction ratios of the given line. Then we get L plus 2M plus 3N is equals to 0 and 2L plus 3N plus 4N is equals to 0 by using these expressions. And solve by determinant method. So we have L upon coefficient of M. This is 2, 3 and coefficient of N 3, 4 and m upon minus 1, 2 and 3, 4 and n upon 1, 2, 2, 3 and we get L by 1 is equals to m by minus 2 is equals to n by 1. Putting z is equals to 0 in equation number 1, then we get these two equations x plus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. Solving this equation, multiply this first equation by 2, then we get 2x plus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0 and subtract it. 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0, then this 2x gets cancelled. We get 4y minus 3y is equals to y. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So y plus 3 is equals to 0, then y is equals to minus 3. So here x plus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0 implies that x plus 2 and put the value of y. Y is equals to minus 3. So x plus 2 into minus 3 plus 4 is equals to 0. That is x minus 2 is equals to 0 and we obtain the value of x as 2. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. And suppose we have supposed that z is equals to 0. Therefore, the symmetrical form of the given line is x minus 1, x minus 2 by 1 is equals to y plus 3 by minus 2 is equals to z by 1. We have get any one coordinate on the line and direction ratios of the given line. Let x minus 2 by 1 is equals to y plus 3 by minus 2 is equals to z by 1 is equals to r. So general point on the line is r plus 2 minus 2r minus 3 and r be any point on the given line and which is the foot of the perpendicular. If q is equals to 0, 0 means from the origin q is equals to 0, 0, then direction ratios of qp are r plus 2 minus 2r minus 3 and r, the difference between the point p and q, and QP is perpendicular to the line. So by using the condition of perpendicularity, we get 1 into r plus 2 minus 2 into minus 2r minus 3 minus 1 into r is equals to 0. Then we have r is equals to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of point P are, put this value in here. In this, we get 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. And PQ is equals to 1 by 3 root 21 by using the distance formula. The equations of the line PQ is x by 2 is equals to y by 1 is equals to z by minus 4. Any difficulty in these example? Here we stop our lecture. Thank you. हाँ, कल भी लूंगी ना, क्यों? नहीं, अभी ना अपना ये 2 आर्टिकल बचे हुए हैं, ये राइट लाइन के 2 आर्टिकल बचे हुए हैं, तो ये मेरा जब टॉपिक खत्म हो जाएगा तो फिर फंसी सर लेंगे। हाँ, अभी मेरा ये 2 आर्टिकल बचे हुए हैं, शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस एंड लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर। हाँ जी जी जी। हाँ हाँ, इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह। हाँ ठीक है। हाँ, आप लोग ये जो क्वेश्चंस मैं जो करा रही हूँ ना, इसको लिखो आप लोग और इसकी प्रैक्टिस करो, क्योंकि ये तकरीबन एक जैसे क्वेश्चंस है। हाँ, जब तक आप सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे मैथमेटिक्स को समझ में नहीं आएगा। हाँ ठीक है फिर। हाँ हाँ, नहीं मैं आपका 2 दिन के बाद इसका पीडीएफ भी सेंड करती हूँ आपको। ठीक है। हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू।